The process of managing provisional degrees and official academic certificates is a highly demanding process for some universities due to the large amount of manual tasks and checks to be carried out. In its commitment to continuous improvement in quality of the user experience, Alfonso X el Sabio University, a private Spanish university, has decided to work together with the IBM team to try to solve this challenge using the potential of IBM technology. In this video, we will talk about what the challenge has been, what has been the solution we have built, and how we have built it. The process object of this MVP focuses on the generation of provisional degrees and official university academic certificates. The challenge to be solved varies depending on the role in the process. For a student, it would be to have visibility at any time of what status their application is in and to make the processing as quick and simple as possible. In the case of a student office, to reduce the number of calls from students wanting to know the status of their application, to make the process more agile, and to reduce manual tasks and simplify their tasks as much as possible. The Secretary General and the President would like to be able to receive notifications on a regular basis to know how many batches of applications they have pending approval. The challenges are very diverse. How have we solved them all? Let's take a look. The flow begins when a student applies for the official academic certificate or provisional degree through an electronic web form. Once submitted, the student will receive a confirmation message on the website and an email informing them that their application has been successfully registered. At the same time, the application is automatically included in a database where its traceability will be tracked. That's when the student office will be able to see in their work inbox an assignment for each of these requests. When they open it, they will be able to view the data filled in by the student and the documents included in the web form. After carrying out the necessary verifications, and if everything is correct, they will be able to validate these requests. Otherwise, they will contact the student to resolve any inconsistencies in the application. If the student office validates the application, it initiates an automatic process that generates the PDF of the requested document. In addition, the student receives an automatic email to notify them of the change in the status of their application and sending a link to access to a portal available 24 hours a day where they can check the status of its application. On the other hand, the General Secretary receives daily emails notifying the batches of applications pending approval. Through the link in the email, it's possible to view the different batches and, within each one, the requests include in it in full detail. Thus, when he has reviewed all the requests he considers, he can approve or reject the batch. If he decides to reject it, the student office will receive an email informing them of the rejection and its reason, so that it can inform the student as soon as possible. In the same way, the rector receives daily emails with the batches that have been approved by the secretary and that must be validated by her. The functionality of the portal accessed by the rector is the same as that of the Secretary General. When a batch is approved by the rector, an automatic process is triggered that signs all the PDFs included in it with the electronic organ seal. Afterwards, students will receive an email with the signed PDF file attached. Student office will be notified of the end of the process by email. The key technological capability of this solution is business automation workflow, which allows you to execute workflows with task assignment, send emails automatically, and connect with the necessary systems, such as the organ seal signature service, for example. In order to be able to track process metrics faster and more visually and assist in decision-making effectively, a dashboard has been implemented using business automation insights. In addition, for the generation of the PDFs and the official signature with the organ seal, a robot has been implemented with the IBM RPA reporting tool that generates the necessary PDF document, and a signature service that is responsible for affixing the organ cell to the generated PDF. On the other hand, a website has been developed to consult the status of the requests for this process, which is 100% personalized and available 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. In this case, FileNet, IBM's document manager, stores the document associated with the requests. Finally, a customizable web form has been created that allows the instant submission of the application without the use of paper and with automatic registration of the same. The solution developed contributes to streamline processes, unifying services on a single platform, improving the user experience of the student and the university team, reducing the amount of paper used throughout the process, maintaining the correct traceability of it, reducing manual errors, and ease of use and maintenance.